Hello everyone, good morning and a happy Saturday. So today we're going to go cycling and we're going to go to Yuyang. Yuyang is a nice cycling place in the southwest where Melbourne is. So it's somewhere in between Geelong and Werribee. It's a nice mountain biking track where you can go with families. Today we're going to go there, have fun, and stay tuned and I'll record down the place to share with you and what we can do there. Check this out there. Hi everybody, here we are at a BP nearby Yuyangs. So Yuyangs is at the back. See that? It's nice weather today, nice Saturday, sunny Saturday. So Yuyangs is about 45-50 minutes from where I live. It's an easy drive along the highway. The ride is beautiful, nice Saturday, there's no traffic jam. A Saturday of a long weekend because Monday is a holiday and people, I see the highway is a bit busy, but not jam. This is good. We will arrive there and we'll share more. So driving from home, we will exit the Avalon Airport turnout. So this way we turn out to go to this side of the highway. It's a bit closer compared to exiting before the oil station. We just arrived, so we're unpacking the bike. We are at route 16, 17. Today I have my partners in crime riding with me today. So this is her bike. My little bike. Alright. A few cyclists around today. Now we're going to get ready. Today we're just going to ride slow. We would like to go to Chainsaw actually. Chainsaw track is 18, yeah? So today I'm going to test out my little DIY 3D printed harness for the Gopro. So basically trying to get all the fitting right. We hope to visit the chainsaw track. So the chainsaw track is where you have the jumps. So Anna wanted to try the jumps today. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's not that crowded. So we were actually expecting more people to be here because it's a long weekend holiday. So the car park is not full, it's only half full. Okay, we're heading over to number 17. So we are heading down to Lumberjack track. So it's going to be a 5 kilometers track with a vertical climb of 20 meters. Yeah, it's a simple green one to warm up. Then after that we will move to another track. Okay, come, let's go. So now we are back here, now where the car is. So what we're going to do, we go back to the road here. We go to the right on the road, then we enter on the 16. We go straight down, we hit 15. That's where the chainsaw is. Okay, so we go to the 16, then we go to the 15. Then we go finish the 5, 15. Then we come back by the 16. Then we come back, okay? we're back at the car park. Wonderful ride today. So last point is the chainsaw. It was fun. Anna had a try, and
I did halfway.
yeah, we hopefully come back in here with all the cycling brothers. Okay, take care and have a good weekend. Bye bye.